What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add a wallet address and process a withdrawal within the NovaTech platform. Yep, this is going to be a full video today, guys, so I hope you're ready for it. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's get right into it. Today, we're going to talk about how to pull money out of the platform. We've already shown you how to put money into the platform, deposit into your PAM account. We've already shown you how you can go back in and compound, put money back into your trading account. So we've shown you all of that. Now it's time to show you how you can add your own wallet address and actually pull money out of the account when you get ready. Now, guys, this is going to be phenomenal because if you guys didn't know, NovaTech is one of the few programs that allows you to have access to your capital. That's right. When you come into NovaTech, you're making a deposit into a PAM account, and you can actually go back in and withdraw that money. Now, if you do it within the first 30 days, there will be a penalty. But after the first 30 days, you're going to be able to go in and withdraw it, and all you have to do is pay their minimal withdrawal fees, which I believe is absolutely phenomenal, right? So let's go in and I'm going to show you how you can do these withdrawals. Of course, this platform is crypto in and crypto out, right? Now you typically can use Bitcoin, Litecoin, and I believe Ethereum. We're going to verify that in just a second. I'm having a blank right now, but we're going to verify that in just a second when we go through this process, right? So let's jump right into it. So, when you log into the platform, this is the back office. It's going to come to a screen similar to this, right? So you're going to be able to see this. Now on this left side, this is what I call the power side. This is where all of your options are going to be. Well, in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to click on e-wallet. So you see this arrow beside e-wallet, that means it's going to give us a drop down. So in this drop down, what we're going to want to do is to update our wallet address. Now, let's say if you have put a wallet address in here before and you just want to make sure, double check or verify what your wallet address is, you would click on this little button that says, what's my wallet address? Now, I haven't put a wallet address in here, so it says no record found, right? So let's go back here. I'm going to actually update my wallet address. So I'm going to click on that, update a wallet address, right? Because I need to put one in here. Now, once you do this, it's going to ask you for your demographic information. What I mean is your name and your email. They don't ask you for a lot of other stuff, but your name and your email, right? And then it's going to show you your distributor ID. And then it has some instructions here. We're going to read through these so we can make sure that you do these properly. It says, please verify your wallet address before submitting a new one. That means go to that little section that I just showed you and look to see what wallet address is in there first before you actually go in to ask them to update the wallet address. Now, changes are permitted every 21 days. Once you change your wallet address, you got to wait 21 days before you can change it again. Updates may take up to 48 hours. So once I do this wallet address change, it could take up to 48 hours, which means I won't be able to do a withdrawal until this has been completed. Now, here's the next thing. Please do not request a cash out until updated in the back office, right? Until it's updated in the back office. That means until your wallet address is showing in the back office, you do not want to request a cash out. You don't want to request a withdrawal of your funds. Okay. Now, so then we got that out of the way. We're talking about your name, your name, your distributor ID, your email address. Now, what you want to do is the type of request you want to click on. If this is your first time setting this up, you'll click on entering new wallet address. Right. And then you're going to select the coin that you would want to use. So if you wanted to use Bitcoin, I was exactly right too, by the way, guys. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, right? So let's say, my favorite is Bitcoin. So let's just say Bitcoin is what I'm going to receive. So what I would need to do right below this is to submit a crypto wallet address for Bitcoin, okay? A crypto wallet address specifically for Bitcoin. You can use your receive address for Coinbase. You can use your deposit address in Bitstamp. You can use whatever you're going to use your receive address for whatever wallet or exchange that you want to use for this. Okay, so that's what you're going to put in here, and then you have to put it in again just to confirm it. Now, here's one of the security measures that NovaTech has in place. When you're going to be updating your wallet address or things like that, you're going to have to upload a selfie with your government issued ID. So you're going to have to choose you're going to take a selfie with not only your government ID, but you're going to also have to include NovaTechFx.com and today's date. You're going to have to write that down, NovaTechFx.com, and whatever the date is, the day that you're actually adding this. You're going to have to put that in because that's a security measure that they put in place to make sure nobody else has access to your funds. And you know what? I really appreciate that, right? So you're going to choose the file and you're going to upload this into the system. Once you upload this and submit this to the system, you wait 24 to 48 hours and this should be completed for you. Now, when I come back, once this is added, what I'm going to do is show you the full process of actually processing a withdrawal. So I'm going to go through this process right now. As soon as this is completed, I'll come back and I'm going to do a video. As a matter of fact, I'm going to add it on to this video, right? And I'll add it on to this video and you're going to be able to see exactly how you process a withdrawal. So hopefully you guys are going to stay right in tune with me. All right, guys, I am back. And let me tell you what, man, NovaTech moves pretty quick. I thought this was going to take 24 to 48 hours, which if it took that long, it would be perfectly fine. But they had this thing updated in a couple hours. Like, guys, in a couple hours, they went ahead, they had it updated in my back office. And you know what? I'm excited about that, guys. So yeah, I have this little app that actually blurs out any sensitive information of mine, right? Most of the time. It works properly most of the time. So that's why you don't see the information here on the screen. But this is what it's going to look like. You can get an idea of what it's going to look like when you see your information. And all you have to do is go into eWallet here. When you pull that drop down, you can just say, what's my wallet address? And once you do that, it's going to show a little box like this with all your information in it. And then you'll be able to go ahead and do your withdrawal. So let's do that right now, guys. What we're going to do is go ahead and go to this little button right here, which is request cash out. So we're going to do the request cash out. Let's read through this, make sure we do everything properly. E-wallet balances will update once your request is approved. Please do not submit a request more than once. All cash out requests will be sent to the wallet address that's on file. Please select your bonus or trading account below and enter the amount. Now it's going to tell you your bonus balance and your trading balance because you can withdraw either one. Isn't this powerful, guys? I love NovaTech because we have access to our capital, unlike so many other programs, which you have to purchase a package and you don't have access to the capital that you start with. But this is amazing that you still have access to your capital. Now, it does take 7 to 14 days for you to receive that if you do withdraw money from your trading balance. But the bonus balance, right, 24 hours to process, right? So you can get this within the next 24 hours. So today I'm going to withdraw from my bonus account and I am going to select $300, right? So I'm going to go ahead and take $300 from my bonus account. It has my name here, and then it's also have my distributor ID and my email address. All of that is correct. And then it's going to notify you of the withdrawal fees. Now, I like these withdrawal fees because they're a flat fee, not a percentage, right? They're a flat fee no matter how much you're withdrawing. I really like that. They're not 20% like some of the platforms that we know of, but I want to tell you it's only a flat fee. So let's look at how much these fees are. You know, the price of Bitcoin has gone through the roof. So let's look at it and see what we're going to be hit with when we do a withdrawal here. If we look at Bitcoin over here, it's going to be about $25 if it's Bitcoin. Now, some people can say that's a lot, but if that's too much for you, then definitely don't put in your Bitcoin wallet address. You may want to use Ethereum, right? But just be careful about those gas fees, right? So with Ethereum, it's 0.004. I already keyed that in here. So 0.004 Ethereum is going to be right at $16.68. Not bad there, right? So Ethereum is what is charging you that amount. Now, if you wanted to be really conservative, you could use Litecoin. Now, Litecoin is 0.006, I believe it is. Let me double check. So Litecoin is, yes, 0.006. So if we go look at 0.006 and Litecoin, that's only $1.16. So if you want to be real conservative with your fees and you don't mind actually doing Litecoin and then, proceeding that way, then definitely do Litecoin, right? It's $1.16 for the withdrawal. Not bad at all, guys. I mean, not bad at all. That's pretty sweet right there, right? So I want to go ahead and use Bitcoin because I did submit my Bitcoin wallet address. Here's what I want to tell you. Always select the coin that you have your wallet address for. Don't try to withdraw Litecoin to a Bitcoin wallet address. You're going to lose your money. Don't try to withdraw Ethereum to a Litecoin wallet address. You're going to lose your money. You're going to lose your crypto, right? Don't do that, right? So I'm going to make sure that I go ahead and select the bonus account here. And I selected Bitcoin there on the other side. So that's what we're going to be doing. Actually, you don't have to select a coin in here. So that's good. So you don't have to make that mistake. They're going to actually process it the way that you actually set it up in the back office. So if you chose Bitcoin on your withdrawal address and you enter the Bitcoin withdrawal address, then you're going to be all good with that. Now, if you're going to be requesting a withdrawal of over 5,000, they are going to ask you to once again do the selfie with the ID and today's date, NovaTech and all that stuff like before, right? Like with getting your wallet address approved. So they are going to do that if you're withdrawing over 5,000. Today, I'm not withdrawing over 5,000. This is just 300. I'll be making those $5,000 withdrawals very soon. But like right now, it's just 300. And so we're just going to do this $300. We're doing this withdrawal. If you have any questions, you can contact support at NovaTech. But yeah, this is pretty simple right here. I'm excited about it. Of course, I'm going to update you and let you guys know exactly how long this withdrawal actually takes. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit submit. I think I got everything correctly submitted there. So we're going to go ahead and hit submit, right? So it says, thank you. Your request has been submitted. Please do not resubmit, right? So it already has this here for me. So that's how you actually going to go ahead and do a withdrawal. Now, the great thing about NovaTech is they do send you an email for everything. So I just got an email. I was looking at my Apple Watch. I just got an email that said cash out at NovaTechFx.com. Your cash out request has been received. That's pretty sweet, guys. So the cash out request has been received. They got it. They're going to be working on it. And I'm going to let you guys know exactly how long it actually takes for me to receive this as well. So I'll update you on another video to let you know how long that cash out request takes. Okay. So guys, I hope this has been helpful. This way you guys can see exactly the process of cashing out, right? I wanted you guys to see how you can actually withdraw cash from NovaTechFx. And I'm telling you guys, I'm excited about this platform, man. This thing, if I get this cash out in the next few hours, man, I'm telling you, I'm going to be like all gung-ho. Let's go, right? All the way to the top with this thing, right? Okay. Hopefully you guys are excited as well. This has been an incredible video. I'm excited about just sharing this information with you guys. As always, we're going to invest wisely. We will invest well. We will only invest what we're willing to lose, but we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out.